Hi everyone, I'm Michael Lennick, and this is FHTV News for the week of January 7. Happy New Year, everyone. We are less than 1 week away from the iExtend Go Live here at East Orlando. Last-minute practice continues in the lab, and the super users are ready, and they say all systems go.
They are enthusiastic, they're willing to learn. Of course, there's some people who get stressed out, but they've been great so far.
The Go Live is this Sunday, the 13th. In other news, Florida Hospital is establishing new guidelines and criteria concerning computer passwords. David Harrison joins us now with how this change will affect you. Dave?
Mike, right now we have to change our simple passwords about every 3 months, but soon that will change, especially what we have to type when we log in. Instead of short passwords that had to be changed every 90 days, now the password has to be 7 or 8 characters long and must include 1 letter and 1 number, or either the pound symbol or $sign. 2 out of 3 are required. The change also means employees only have to change their passwords every 6 months. Those here working the MIS help desk say the change is because of increased security for both employees and the patients.
If somebody was able to steal the password file off of your computer, it will take them longer than the 180-day period for them to actually crack the password. So by the time they'd actually crack that password, you've already changed it again.
Now, you don't have to do anything to your password until your computer tells you it's time to do so. The new detailed requirements for your password can be found in this week's FHTV News Weekly Email Update. I'm David Harrison.
Thanks, Dave. The guidelines are also spelled out in the January issue of the Times, which came out last week. Now, here are a few items you might have missed over the holidays. Last month, Florida Hospital announced a new emergency medicine residency program. It'll be based at East Orlando. Already more than 400 future doctors have applied, and the program doesn't even start until July.
We could not believe the extent of interest that we got from the medical students across the country.
The program will also help alleviate the growing shortage of physicians in Florida. Florida Hospital was the official hospital of the Champs Sports and Capital One Bowl games. Our doctors and trainers were at each practice, like this one, and at the games themselves, ready to assist the teams in case of an injury. Also last month, the cardiac waiting room in Orlando was dedicated to a pioneer in heart health. Jennifer Roberts joins us now from CVICU with more.
Dr. Meredith Scott walked the halls of Florida Hospital for 27 years. He's a cardiothoracic surgeon, and he helped to develop the cardiology program here at the hospital. Scott is now retired, but he was recently spotted in the hospital again when the cardiac operating waiting room was dedicated in his honor. Florida Hospital employees who work with Dr. Scott got a bit emotional as they remembered the man who gave so much to his patients, nurses, and the hospital.
He became my mentor. He taught us everything, and for nurses, he was a tremendous advocate. He taught us how to take really fine care of the patients that he operated on.
Those who came to remember Dr. Scott's commitment called him an icon, a teacher, and a mentor. And now his legacy will continue on here at the hospital, where patients come to receive the outstanding cardiac care that he helped to found. In Orlando, I'm Jennifer Roberts for the Weekly News.
And that is your FHTV News for the week of January 7. I'm Michael Lennick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next week.